Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very quick recipe for you how to make Haitian white rice. White rice is very easy. It's literally just salt and water, but if you're Haitian you gotta add a little spice to it, you know. I'm talking about scallion, garlic, and a little bit of onion to spice it up a little bit, make it a little flavorful. Alright, let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and start. You'll need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, whatever oil you prefer. I like olive oil. 1 clove of garlic or 2, 1 whole scallion or green onion, whatever you call it, and some sweet onion. And we're gonna let it saute for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt, whatever salt you like. I prefer pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. So we're gonna go ahead now it's this color, we're gonna go ahead and add water. I'm using 4 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. If you want a more grainy rice, less water. If you want it to be a little more fluffy, more water. So I'm using jasmine pie rice. So go ahead and wash your rice because it's dirty, as you can see. And yeah, you gotta get rid of the impurities from the rice. You know, a lot of people touched it and you didn't know how they packed it, so wash it, you know. I usually rinse my rice twice. When I said wash, I mean like water, just like rinse it, not really like soap and water. That's what you call wash. But anyways, once it's clean, you rinse it twice. You go ahead and put it in the water. One thing that's important when cooking rice, if you like gratin, you gotta use vegetable oil. It makes crunchier gratin. And if you like, you gotta use a different pot. I don't know how you call it. I forgot the name. I think it's called cardero, something like that. But you know what kind of rice, what kind of pot. The one I made the maimule. If you don't know, go check out that video. But yeah, that also is important. But once you do that, you see, when you see the rice above the water, that means it's gonna be a little bit grainy. If it's under the water, it's gonna be a little bit more fluffy, like, you know, not that type of, you know, like Jamaican rice. No offense, Jamaicans. So once you've added the rice to the water, you're gonna cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes, and let the water dry up. When it's like that, that's when you're gonna go ahead and turn down your heat on 3 to 4 medium low for about 10 minutes to let it fully cook. And then this is the final product. You see it? It's perfect for sauce pois and legume. It's like it's perfect. I'm perfect. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know everybody knows how to make white rice, but you don't know how to make it the Haitian way. You gotta watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon again. And also thank you, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have a good life.